Hey guys, Steve Graff from Inspectograph. We're talking roof vents for kitchen exhaust today. We have a GE profile. The CFMs on the GE profile are 450 CFMs, and that requires a bigger vent opening than what we got. So what the builder provided is looks like a 6-inch vent. It's about like a 6-inch by 5-inch opening, so that's about 30 square inches. For 450 CFMs, we need like 72 square inches. Plus, there's a scone rating, which is how loud it is, and that number is going to go up as far as how loud it is because the reduction in airflow. So we aren't getting the correct amount of CFMs coming out of this vent. It doesn't meet the manufacturer's minimum requirements. All right, so I'm interrupting this short to bring you some attic information. All right, so here's the duct that's in the attic, nice 8-inch round duct, which is what the minimum size is supposed to be connected to that vent. Here's what they don't see. Check that out. What sort of bottleneck is that? That's great. Anybody with a mechanical engineering degree could figure this out. Wait, no, you don't need a degree, just some common sense. But so there it comes out of the ceiling, bottleneck up to the roof, and then it's going through a tiny hole on the roof. So big duct, tiny hole, no go. This vent, it doesn't meet the manufacturer's minimum requirements. Going to cause the unit, the exhaust hood, to not exhaust properly and be super loud, which is what we have right now. So basically, we're in the 1-year warranty. Builders got to address this because it doesn't meet what they provided. So I'm glad I was able to find it and bring it to their attention. So make sure you check yours. Check your vent. Make sure it's big enough for the exhaust hood you have. And do it under the 1-year warranty. All right, Steve Graff, Inspectograph. Have a blessed day.